My life was spent surrounded by a lot of steel and a lot of concrete and interiors and lighting and so on. And after retirement, I thought I should create a balance by becoming a part of nature and trying to understand and appreciate what we have received all my life through nature, which I didn't really have the time to recognize in that sense. 2 years back, when I attempted to start organic farming with zero knowledge of farming, and I realized that what I require is a farm manager, and finding something like that in Pondicherry was, I thought, not going to happen until about a year and a half back. I came into contact with Gratitude Farms. I went and saw the facility at the Gratitude Farms, and I realized that if my personal objective of becoming part of an organic farming community has to happen, then I need somebody like Gratitude Farms to take care of the physical assets. Currently and hereafter, I am in the cycle of hope where I am seeing the results of all the hard work that his team has put in terms of managing the soil, getting it ready for cultivation. We've received progressively larger production of vegetables and some herbs and hopefully some fruits in the next few years. The quality of the products, the vegetables, etc., are excellent. They taste so genuine. Most people in urban India at least have forgotten how vegetables actually taste. So when you take the real thing, people get surprised that why isn't it tasting the way they are used to? Because what they are now tasting is pure nature. The food which is keeping the body and the soul and everything alive is getting the kind of inputs which unfortunately most people today do not have access to. So the more organic farming can replace chemical farming, the more healthy and the more happy people will be. And if in our own small ways we can contribute to that effort and become part of a community like the Gratitude Farms, when I look at the kind of sustained work and monitoring and care that is happening to my asset, it gives me a sense of great comfort that Mother Nature came to me through these lands, and I have been able to create a vehicle through which Mother Nature gets taken care of also. So, as I say, if you sustain nature, nature will sustain you back many times. One of the things that attracted me to work with Gratitude Farms and Major was his vision of being able to harness the human resource of ex-servicemen who are discharged from the forces at a young age as per the norms of the forces, and a lot of them come from agricultural background. If they can be employed, trained in organic farming and then employed in different farms, I certainly, as an individual, I feel very indebted to the armed forces for ensuring that we live secure in a country without suffering the depredations of invasion of our previous generations. And therefore, if in our own way we can assist in getting such people to become a part of the community and get employment, is a very strong motivator for someone like me to hand over my asset under the management of Gratitude Farms.